Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Can I come in?
Yeah, I gotta close that door for you. It's a little broken. The part is broke. Oh. How you doing, man?
Great.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here first?
Nice. I like that. That's pretty cool.
Thants.
What's your name? What's in here, man?
My name's Jhonny. We're based in Maxima on Instagram.
Okay.
And it's 4 Sundown ZV515s, 4 Audio Apex Cap 22s,
Okay.
with 200 amp hour of Yinlong, and Rogue Audio mids and highs.
Yep. Who did the doors? This looks good.
I did them.
I like it.
Thank you,
job.
man. Yeah, I don't know if you remember last time that you heard it. I had different doors, but since then I redid my floor. It's a full wooden floor now.
Okay.
And
can you tell a difference doing some of the cabin work?
oh yeah. Before I did it, it was a 160.1, and it's definitely a little bit louder now.
Yeah. What's your box tuning on this?
It's a 20-inner.
Let's tune that. What's your electrical like?
It's a 250 amp Team GP alternator and 200 amp hour Yinlong.
Okay. I'm gonna go check out the back. All right, for sure. Thank you, man.
I'll play some highs and then I'll play the low notes after.
Sure.
I'll have you open your door after to get some wind.
Okay. All right. Yeah, love to hear it. Oh, yeah. Cracked your windshield.
Yeah. I'll play some highs and then I'll play the low notes after.
Sure. you hear a bass head sneeze, you know it's loud. Good job. That sounds great.
Thank you, man.
Really musical too, because you're about to give me some lows, so you can show
yeah.
both ends. All right, awesome. Nice job. Woo.
I'll have you open your door after to get some wind.
Okay.
I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you in a trance? I just wanna rollie with a dabber ranch. I already got something on the top of my wrist. I just want some on my wrist so I look better when I dance. You looking at it, put you in a trance. Yeah.
My rollie don't. Yeah, that way. Yeah.
That's good. Oh yeah.
Play some lower frequency.
Okay. You've done a really good job with your roof.
Thank you,
And
man.
just everything cabin-wise, you can tell not moving as much, but helps keeps your pressure on the demo. So really good job. I like it.
Thanks, man. That was my main goal, is make sure nothing moves.
Yeah. I mean, you can't stop it 100%, but
yeah.
you can work
First
on
of all,
it. You
give
did
me a
good.
little bit.
Yes, sir. So what frequency range are you about to play?
Right now, I think this song's like 19 or 20.
Okay.
And it's got some high notes
Really
in
low.
it, too.
Yes, sir. All right.
In a place where you don't fit in, 'cause love will find
You can fall.
Really good. Thank you for the 3-song demo. That was awesome, man. I appreciate it. Sure. Okay. Yeah. Open right here.
Yeah.
Oh, your door's heavy. All right.
Benjamin Franklin, тут не топорина, бивать мани, сам по себе я сам я на грани.
awesome. I appreciate the demo, man. No problem, man. You got really good bandwidth and you understand where to load off of to play different frequencies. So.
Yeah.